Hey, welcome. In this video, we're just going to look through some examples of solving multiple step equations, especially some of those tricky ones that involve fractions or variables on both sides. So what I would encourage you to do in watching this video is pause right now, try the first one, and then watch the video to check your answer, and then continue that throughout. So pause, try a problem, check it. Pause, try a problem, check it. Okay, so now would be a great time to pause and then play again to look through number one here. So on number one, we're looking at this problem here. We have some fractions involved, so this would be a great one to use that tool of clearing fractions. So we're just going to look at our denominators, 3 and 4, and find their least common multiple. So since 3 doesn't go into 4, we have to start looking at multiples in the number. It's always a great idea to just pick the bigger number and look at its multiples and say, okay, 4, 8, 3 doesn't go into 8, 12, oh, 3 goes into 12, that's my least common multiple. You'll generally get there a little faster utilizing your larger number. So we're going to multiply both sides by 12. And again, make sure that we're distributing. So we're doing 12 over 1 times 2 over 3x minus 12 times 1 is 12. 12 over 1 times 5 over 4x plus 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, the whole reason we did this is because 12 is divisible by 3. We get 4, 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8x minus 12. 12 is divisible by 4. Get 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, get your variables on one side. Minus 8x minus 8x. Negative 12 equals 8, 7x plus 24. I'm bringing it up here. I'm in a space. So negative 12 equals 7x plus 24. Subtract 24. You're going to get negative 36 equals 7x. And divide by 7. 7's prime. 7 doesn't go into 36 evenly, so x equals negative 36 sevenths. Okay, again, I would encourage you to pause and try the next one before watching further. Okay, again, another great one to utilize that clearing fractions. We could solve this without, but you're going to have to do all of those fraction operations. So we might as well use the fact that it is an equation to get rid of those. So pick your biggest denominator. 4 goes into 8, but 3 does not. So we can't just use 8. So 8, 16. 4 goes into 16, 3 does not. 24, ooh, 4 and 3 both go into 24, so that is our winner. Okay, so we're going to multiply both sides again by 24. Nice thing we don't have to distribute on the right side here. We can just do 24 over 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we get 16. Here we're distributing. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, add 9 to both sides. 30x equals 25. And then divide by 30. Divide by 30. Ooh, 25 and 30 are both divisible by 5. We get x is 5/6. Again, not a bad idea to type this into your calculator to check. You're just going to do 5 divided by 4. Make sure you put parentheses around your fractions. Times 5 divided by 6 minus 3 divided by 8. Try that. And then on the other side, we're really hoping this equals 2 divided by 3, which is 0.6 repeating. Okay, so try it in your calculator. Again, great time to pause, try one on your own, and then restart it when you are ready. So here we have lots going on. So I'm going to look at each side individually and simplify as much as I can before looking at solving. So distribute that 3. We get 6x minus 3 plus 5. Distribute your 6. 6x plus 6. Ooh, I can do something else, like terms. 6x plus 2 equals 6x plus 6. Get our variables on the same side. 2 equals 6. Nope, never. 2 does not equal 6. No solution. Last one here. 3x minus 10 equals x. Does not. Let's start that over. 3x minus 10 plus x equals 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 15. So again, lots going on. Look at one side then the other. So 3x like term with x. Combine those guys. 3x plus x is 4x. Minus 10. Other side. 2x is 4x. 5 minus 15 is negative 10. Oh, 4x minus 10 equals 4x minus 10. Well, yes, it does. Okay, but if you're still not sure, 4x minus 4x, negative 10 equals negative 10. Yes, always, infinitely many solutions. Okay, that is all for these examples. Thank you so much for watching.